Welcome back, children. Let us start with a new chapter, Chapter 11 Life Mathematics, Part 1. Learning Objectives. In this video, we'll learn about formula of cost price, selling price, profit and loss. And we will see how to find the cost price and how to find the selling price. To understand cost price, selling price, profit and loss, let us talk about a departmental store. Now, suppose a man buys some goods from the wholesaler. Wholesaler means where the articles are sold in large amount, right? He sells the goods to the customer. Customer means to the person he is selling the goods. Now, the amount paid by the shopkeeper to the wholesaler, that is by the man to the wholesaler, is the cost price, and the amount paid by the customer to shopkeeper, customer is the person who is buying from the shopkeeper, is the selling price, right? Now, here you can see the definitions. The cost price is the price at which the article is purchased, right? And it is written as CP. And selling price, the price at which the article is sold, that is SP. Now, when you are selling some article at a greater price, that means you are earning a profit or gain. That is, if selling price is greater than cost price, the seller is said to have profit or gain. And if you are selling at a less price, you have bought some article and you are selling it at a less price, that means you are having loss. If SP is less than CP, that is, if the selling price is less than cost price, the seller is said to have loss. And we know that the cost price is denoted by CP, the selling price is denoted by SP, profit is denoted by P, and loss is denoted by L. Now let us understand the formulas. Now here you can see the formulas. If SP, that is selling price, is greater than cost price, then there is profit. So profit is SP minus CP. Now from this formula you can derive two more formulas. How? Now if you know that profit is SP minus CP, so SP will be, CP will go to this side. So when one this minus goes to the other side of equal to, it becomes plus. So it will change into plus. So SP will be equal to CP plus profit. Now if you want to find CP, so this is minus, so you take this CP this side. So CP will be equal to SP, and profit is in addition here. So if it goes to the other side of equal to, it will becomes in subtraction. So CP will be equal to SP minus profit. Just from this formula, you have derived two more formulas, that is SP is equal to selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, and cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Obviously, you can understand, children, when the selling price is more, you are having profit. That means cost price, you are adding something. So cost price plus profit. And when cost price is less, that means selling price is more. So selling price minus profit is cost price. Now let us derive one more formula. If SP is less than CP, when selling price is less than cost price, then you have loss, right? You are selling some article at a lesser price than you have bought, sorry. So you will have loss. So loss is CP minus SP because CP is more. So CP minus SP. And from this formula, you can derive two more formulas. So CP will be equal to SP will go to this side. So SP plus loss or loss plus SP, and SP is in minus if you take this side. So SP will be equal to CP. Loss is in addition, it will go to the other side, so it will come in subtraction. So SP is equal to CP minus loss. So you have derived two more formulas from loss is equal to CP minus SP. So CP is equal to loss plus SP and SP is equal to CP minus loss. Now we'll see some more examples here. Find the cost price. First question is you have to find the cost price. The selling price of the article is given and the profit is given. Now the formula of profit is equal to SP minus CP. So cost price is, you get the formula from there only. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, right? So by that formula, you will get profit is equal to SP minus CP. So CP is going to the other side. So SP minus profit is cost price. Because cost price is less, so you are subtracting something from selling price, then only you get a lesser value. So SP minus profit. So on subtracting 3984 minus 450, you get rupees 3534. So the answer is cost price is rupees 3534. Now let us see one more example. Now you have to find the selling price. The cost price is given, the profit is given, right? Now the formula of selling price is cost price plus profit, because selling price is more, then only you are having a profit. So you have to add something to the cost price. So cost price plus profit is selling price. Now the cost price is given as rupees 5555 and profit is given as 1800. So on adding, you get rupees 7355. So the selling price of the article is rupees 7355. Now see the examples when loss is given, right? Find the selling price. Cost price is given rupees 45,000 and loss is given rupees 550. Now selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. When you are having a loss, selling price will be less. So you are subtracting something from the cost price, right? So cost price minus loss is selling price. So rupees 45,000 minus rupees 550. So you get rupees 44,450 as the answer. So the selling price comes out to be 44,450. Now one more example. Find the cost price. Now you have to find the cost price when selling price is given as rupees 60,000 and loss is given as rupees 1,800. So cost price is equal to, now obviously when there is a loss, your selling price is less. That means cost price is more. So cost price is selling price plus loss. So rupees 60,000 plus 1,800. So on adding, you get rupees 61,800 as the cost price. Thank you, children. Have a good day.